Hi, good morning everyone. Today's video is about the self-massage of the joints. We use our joints on daily basis for different purpose, but we never take care of them the way they are supposed to be taken care of. Hence, we end up with a lot of joint problems, be it ankle joint, knee joint, elbow joint, wrist joint, or the shoulder joint. So today's video is about how you massage your joints on regular basis so that you can avoid the joint injuries and other pains and troubles. Let's start with the video and we can chat as we go along. Take some oil in your hands. The oil can be of your choice. It can be either the Ayurveda oil recommended by the doctor or the oil that suits your dosha or some aromatherapy oil that you like a lot. Rub it on your palms in a nice and gentle manner. Before we massage anything, we are going to use our hands to massage the whole body. So let's just massage our hands. Rub the oil in both the palms, nice and strong. Rub it on your fingers from out into outward direction. Pull all the oil out on the fingers. Once you are done with that and your fingers are nice and supple, massage each finger individually. So you pull out the oil, you tie the fist with the hand and pull it. Once this is done, take some more oil in your hands. It's time to start from our feet. Use the hands and rub the oil from your heel towards your toes. Do this movement for 10 times. Fast and use the whole body strength and the pressure to rub in the outward direction. Once you're done with that, do the same on the front side of the feet, top of your foot. Once you massage the dorsal and the plantar side of your foot, take some more oil and it's time for the ankle massage. Now on ankles, we'll be using the circular movements. So take some oil and rub it on your ankles in the circular movements, on the top and down below. 10 times in each direction. And once you are done with that, make circular movements on the ankle and heel for 10 times in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. The foot massage also helps you with sleeping nicely and going into a deep, undisturbed sleep. Once you massage your foot, rub it all the way outwards and it's time for your toes. Take your fingers, spread them apart and web them through your toes, between them. And then press on the fingers and pull them out gently. Do this 5 more times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's move on to the other foot. As this video is to help you massage on regular basis, I'll show you again how to do it on the other foot. Take some more oil. Rub it in the outward direction from the heel towards the toes with the pressure as much as you can use. On the plantar side, on the dorsal side, on the arch of your heel, on the flat side of your foot, everywhere. 10 times. Once you are done, take some oil for the ankles and rub it on your ankle in the nice circular movement with the pressure as much as you can use. On the downward side also. Then take some more oil and make round circular motions on your heel and ankle so that you can get rid of all the tension in your ankles. Once you are done with that, stretch both your feet outwards. Now let's move on to the knees. For the knees, take some more oil. And we will be making outward circular motion for 30 times on the knees. Fast and use the strength from your shoulders, not your hands, but use the strength. Tilt slightly forward and use the shoulder strength to massage your knees. 30 times in the outward direction and 30 times in the inward direction. Take some more oil in your hands, rub it on your palms and massage the back of your knees in the downward movements. Start at the back of your thighs and pull the oil down. You can even keep your legs straight with the help of the support and pull the oil downwards. These movements help you strengthen the ligaments of the knees and avoid the knee injuries in the long term. Whether you are a hiker, biker, runner, or any sort of an athlete or into sports, this massage helps everyone. It is very useful for people above 50 years old, as this is when the joint capsule starts getting damaged. That's all for the knees. This is all that you need. Moving on to the hip massage. Take some oil in your hands. Stand up and rub it on your hips in the circular movements. Outward circular movements. Use all the pressure with your hands. Once you are done with that, make the circular inward movements on your hips and draw all the oil inside on the inner side of your thighs. Once this is done, we will move on to our wrists, elbows and shoulders. You can either sit down on the floor in a cross-legged posture or you can sit on the chair while you are massaging yourself. Take some oil in your hands and again make circular movements on your wrists, outward and inward. Ring it nicely. Use the strength as much as you can. If you're someone whose job is to sit on the computer and work with the mouse, this helps you avoid the carpal tunnel syndrome and makes your wrist stronger. Moving on, let's move on to our elbows. That is it for the wrists. You can rotate them 5 times in clockwise direction and 5 times in anti-clockwise direction. Moving on to the elbows, take some oil again in your hands. Elbows are like knees, so we will use the rotational movements on the elbows. You can do it on both the elbows at the same time, or you can use one hand to massage the left elbow and then we can move on to the right one. 10 times in clockwise direction and 10 times in anti-clockwise direction. On the other side, pull down all the oil towards your fingertips with nice and strong movements. And we are done with the elbow joint. Moving on to our shoulder joint. Take some more oil in your hands and make circular movements on your shoulder. One shoulder at a time Or if you are flexible, you can massage both the shoulders simultaneously with the opposite hands. Rotational movements, big ones, use your palms, not just your fingers, and massage your shoulders. Once your shoulder massage is done, you can pull the oil down from the shoulders 5 times. And now the last one, the neck joint. Take some oil. Move your hands in downward direction and apply the oil on your neck. If possible, keep the neck straight so that you can increase the stability and the flexibility of the joint. Once you do the downward movements, pull the oil to the front on the area where the shoulders meet the neck. Pull it down. Rub it nicely. If you want, you can massage the front of your neck by pulling the oil upwards towards your chin and then press on the area again where your neck meets the shoulders. Pull up and pull out the skin in the pinching movement. And that is it. All you need is 10 minutes of your time daily to massage your joints and keep them healthy and safe and strong for a long time. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much for doing the massage with me. Have a nice day.